Hi, it's Shell and welcome to my channel. So before we get started, be sure and hit that subscribe button below so you can see more fun crafty items. So today I am going to show you how to make these fun little tassels. I had a request for those, and these really pretty ribbon roses. So let's get started on those. I'm just going to put them both in one video. Okay, so what I did, that was the Deserted Island Challenge. And, you know, you have limited supplies. So, on these I just made some little tassels out of some DMC thread. So it's pretty thin thread, but you can certainly make these with just yarn or whatever you want to. So, this is how I made these particular ones. And, you know, I don't know how other people make them. I just thought, oh, this will work, and that's what I did. So I'm just going to cut a strip of thread, and I'm just going to put it lengthwise on my finger, like this. It'll make sense, more sense in a minute. And I wanted really tiny ones, so that's why I'm using my finger. If you want bigger ones, you can use a larger, you know, 2 fingers, or you can use a pencil or pen or whatever you would like. So just do it until you know you think it's a good size. They're really simple. And then I'm just going to hold my thread and take it off my finger if I can get it off. And then I'm just going to tie this really tight. Okay, just really tight like that. Okay, and then I'm just using my scissors just to kind of get them approximate size. Like I said, this is very simple. Okay, now I want one more piece of thread. I'm going to do it a little bit longer, and this is just to make the tassel part, I guess. Just going to, I'm going to kind of make a loop. Let's see the loop right there? So you have like a string right here, a longer string, and a loop. So I'm just going to use the longer string and just wrap it around right here, going up towards the knot. I think it looks better, you know, closer up. And then I am going to glue that. You can kind of pull on these to make it, you know, better. There we go, so it's not bunchy. Then I'm going to just put a little bit of glue. Right there. Just let it dry for just a minute. Okay, and then the small string, you're going to pull that down, and you're just going to pull it down just a little bit, and that will tie off the top string, the top part, and it kind of just tightens it. So I'm going to cut this part off. I'm going to use this string, the string that I pulled, so it kind of makes the little round part, it just kind of brings it and makes it look nice. I learned that in macrame back in 8th grade or whatever it was. Okay, and I'm just going to make that part of my tassel. Just going to hold it very straight and just kind of cut. And just kind of, you know, you just kind of have to keep messing with it until it's like you want it to be, the length and everything. One more little haircut here. And there's the tassel. Isn't that cute? That's how easy it is. It wasn't, you know, hard at all. So, okay, so I'm going to clean up that mess. And then we're going to do our ribbon roses. These ribbon roses are pretty much just as simple. So, you can use any type of ribbon. And I like to use it, this is probably 1/2 inch ribbon. So what I'm doing is just folding it in half. Well, this is actually fabric washi tape. So you really, the ones I made were only about 1/4 inch. So we're just going to glue that. The hardest part of this is waiting for it to dry. It's really simple. So now, this is the easy part. So you're just going to take your the end, and you're just going to start twisting it. Just like 2 or 3 little twists. So it's going to be teeny tiny. And then you're going to take your ribbon. I'm going to refer to this as ribbon. So, and then just twist. Oops, while holding that. So you're just going to twist it, and then put it in the circle until it's done. Twist it again, and that's going to kind of make your, until you're about done at the twist. Twist it again, and that's going to kind of make your petals. Twist it again. It takes some fiddlings, you know, especially if you're pretty new to this, because my first one didn't turn out that well. Twist it again, and that's all you do. You just twist, put it in a circle, twist, wind it into the circle, twist, again, I'm not sure how people do it. I've kind of seen people do it like this, but you know, just the twists and turns, but I didn't look up anything when I did mine. So twist. So what I'm doing is kind of the bottom now becomes the top, and then it just kind of goes under it. Bottom is now the top, or kind of in the center, bottom, top. And you just want to kind of make sure that, you know, it's kind of flat there as you're twisting, because sometimes it'll kind of go underneath your rose portion. Twist, twist, easy, easy. I'm just going to use probably all this. You can make it as big or as small as you'd like. Twist, and these are called ribbon roses, so you can look up a tutorial, you know, other than mine if you'd like to. You can glue it here and there as you go if it's starting to really fall apart or whatever. But I didn't. I just held it. Twist. 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 Turn. That's pretty much it. Just twist and turn. Twist. Turn. Twist. Turn. Twist. Turn. Twist, turn, twist, turn, twist, turn. Twist, turn, and then here's your end. Just kind of pop that in there. You can put that on the bottom if you'd like. Now I'm just going to put some glue all over the bottom, and then just pop that in there. And then if you have like a piece of paper smaller than that, you could certainly put that on the bottom. I don't see one right here. Of course not. Let me grab a piece real quick. Okay, here's just a little scratch piece. Since I'm not putting it directly on a book or something, just pop a little tiny piece of paper on it just to kind of give it something to hold to. Of course, now it messed up. There we go. Put that down there, put more glue on. Just glue it to your base. You could do little circles or whatever. Right now it's messy. My hands are all gluey. And then just let it dry. And you can make a whole bunch of these and then just pop them on your projects. You can use hot glue for this too if you have it. What a mess. Okay, don't touch it. So that's how I made the little roses and the tassel. So I hope this helped you guys. If you have any other questions, then certainly leave a comment below. Again, be sure and hit that subscribe button. I have videos going up constantly right now. So thanks for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day. Have a great day.